Good afternoon, Clarkson Commercials here in Glasgow once again. Right, what we have here before you is a 2009 on the 59 plate. It's a Renault Master. It's the LM35 DCI 120. So if you allow me time to explain all that, I will. It's a Renault Master LM, long wheelbase, medium roof. 35 is 3.5 tonne gross, which is equivalent to your Transit long wheelbase, and it's the 120 horsepower model. I stress at this stage there is no VAT to be added to the selling price of this vehicle. It's a no VAT vehicle, so there is a huge saving there for somebody. 36 years we've been trading, and we do get a steady stream of customers who we see time and time again, thankfully, due to good service, and this is one such vehicle. We sold this vehicle to the customer about 3 years ago, a self-employed chap, and he's into his motorbikes and all the rest of it, and it's always a good sign when somebody's into their bikes because it shows they've got a good understanding of all things mechanical, and he certainly has looked after his van to the highest degree. It's got a full service history, and I'll talk you through that in a second. It's a 120 horsepower model. It's got the sat nav. It's got a Parrot Bluetooth system fitted as well. Coming around to the back of the vehicle, fully ply lined. There is some wear on the floor at the back there, but it's perfectly serviceable. No bursts or holes, just some wear on the floor from loads going in and out the back, and the spare wheel is up there on the left hand side, as you see. Coming down the driver's side now, just work our way down there, and we'll come up to the driver's seat, and I'll just show you the internal area just in a second or so. Right, I'll just turn the radio down. Here we have laid out the various bits of paperwork they have for the vehicle. We've got the MOT there until December of 2014, sorry, up here. A service print, and we've got the manual for the Parrot system, we've got the CD for the sat nav system, we've got the service book, we've got the V5 for the vehicle. It is HPI clear, we've got an HPI report on it as well, and we've got 2 keys for the van as well, a main key and a spare key. Right, here we have the service book, and this is really what it all boils down to, how well a van's been looked after. Service first of all at 18,000, then 36, 54, 70, 85.5 and 106,000 miles, and that was in July of last year. So it's been serviced on time, every time, and that tells you, there's nothing we like more than a book full of inky stamps, and it just tells you the van's been looked after, it's had what it needs when it needed it, and certainly goes to make a very good van. Right, so here we are in the cabin with the service paperwork tidied away, and it's really a tribute to the previous owner. It's been very well looked after. It's got the 6-speed gearbox, we've got the Parrot Bluetooth system here, the sat nav will come on in a second if I turn the ignition on. You've got your radio CD player here as well, and just give me a second to climb in, and there we are, there's the sat nav firing up there. Handy storage, we've got the paper bin here, we've got the ashtray, cigarette lighter, handy bulldog clip there, and certainly, you don't need a mechanical degree to spot a vehicle that's been well looked after. I know the van, we know the person it came from, very credible, hard-working guy, and serious about what he does, and looks after his van very well. Right, so we'll just finish up here. Just to recap, it's a late 2009 on the 59 plate, Renault Master LM35 DCI 120, ex-owner driver, no VAT on the selling price. It's got that beautifully detailed service history. Sat nav, Bluetooth, great MOT as well, spare key, and cosmetically very crisp, very sharp, and all there. And as I say, a massive saving with the no VAT, but a very smart van, right up there with the Clarkson standard. As per company policy, I'll just say the usual line I do in all the vans: everything that we sell is second hand. everything that we sell has had a first life before it comes to us, and it may have marks and imperfections commensurate with age, mileage and use. My name is Barry, thanks for watching a very, very presentable 2009 Renault Master van with no VAT. Thanks for your time.